Today we are going to talk about the basics of microscopes, and we are going to be utilizing microscopes a couple times throughout the year. Um, Always, one of the first things is you need to make sure you're always carrying the microscope with one hand, and one hand on the base, one hand right here on this is called the neck. Okay. Here we go. So I'm going to go through and show you the different parts. This right here is the ocular lens or the eyepiece. This magnifies the image 10 times. Okay, this is the body tube. Here's the nose piece. This revolves and it will change our objective lenses. This one magnifies the image 4 times, this one 10 times, this one 40 times. So when you have to actually multiply this one, which is 10, and this one, which is 4, to get a total magnification of 40. If you magnify or multiply this one, which is 10, by this one, which is 10, that's a total magnification of 100. And if you multiply this one, which is 10, by this one, which is 40, you get a total magnification of 400. Here are the stage clips, which hold your microscope slide in place. The diaphragm allows more light in, so you can change the numbers on this from 1 to 5, 1 allowing the least amount of light, 5 allowing more light, and this is where your light comes in from. This is the arm. The stage, the coarse adjustment. This is, you can utilize the coarse adjustment at any time, except for when you're on high power. When you're on high power, you can only use your fine focus knob. And then here's the base. I already talked about this, but to calculate the power of the magnification, multiply the power of the ocular lens by the power of the objective. So this is 40 times the eyepiece, which is 10, so you get a total of 400. We can see better details with higher the powers of magnification, but we cannot see as much of the image. So each time you go to a different part of your slide, you need to center it. So if I want to look at these cells right here, I want to make sure that my pointer arrow in the eyepiece is pointed right here so that when I magnify it, I will see this part and not out here in the light pink land. Okay, I'm going to allow you to give it a try. And these are things that we'll go over later, but if you have any questions, let me know. And I'm going to stop the video now.